Hello Indonesia, this is Efren Bata Reyes. Today I'm gonna eat Indonesian food. Indonesian food, I'm gonna try this. What kind of food is this?
Kway teow goreng. It's fried
Kway
kway
goreng.
teow.
It's not nasi goreng.
No, nasi is rice, and this is kway teow.
So, I'm gonna try this. Okay. Mas maganda sa pansit. This is very good. Next, I'm gonna try this. What kind is this? What kind of food?
This is kway teow as well, and
Kway teow.
with soup and
Soup.
bakso.
This is very good soup.
Yeah, let's try sir.
I'm gonna try the soup. Okay Indonesian food, soup, very good. Next, this one.
This is tahu balik.
Tahu balik.
Yeah, it's fried.
Tahu, ibabalik. Tahu balik. Yung tahu, ultimong tahu, harap. Sobrang sarap naman yun. Tahu, iba yung tahu ng iba eh, ha? Chinese tahu, this is Indonesian tahu. Very good. What about this? Is this dessert or what?
No, this is main food I think.
Oh, yeah.
Indonesia. It's called mataba telur.
Mataba.
Mataba telur.
Mataba telur.
Yeah.
Wow.
Telur is egg.
No, telur egg. Oh, wow. Egg. Telur. Ibang klaseng itlog. Napakasarap naman ito kaysa doon sa itlog natin. Okay. Very good. What about this?
This one is also mataba, but the sweet mataba one.
Oh, this is mataba also. Okay. Okay, Balata. Ang is very good. Lahat yata ng pagkain ng Indonesia, masarap. I like Indonesian food. Very tasty. I can visit Indonesia soon. Hello! This is Efren Bata Reyes, Mansion Sports Ambassador. Follow Mansion Sports now for more news and updates.